Ready up? 1, a 2, a 3. I've done a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. He's a weasel.
Seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, grip the mic and he.
Old X. My chain fucking fell off. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Motor Madness.
Oh shit.
Right, Ev?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Infamous MX. That's the second angle. We're gonna make it into one video. Dude, I saw you and I just saw you roll down the hill.
Did you get it on tape?
Fuck yeah.
Alright, you're gonna give me that shit. Pick up the bike and roll it down. I slipped out. Like I slipped and then my chain fell off and I'm like, oh shit.
And then you like flipped.
Do you see me going flying down the hill?
Yeah. Funny as fuck. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna get this chain out.